Hello everyone, my name is Anshu Pandey and welcome to this tutorial on MATLAB. In this video, we are going to learn how do we control the sound using Windows Media Player by some gestures using some color pens, or you can say color ribbons. So using different colors, we are going to control different songs into Windows Media Player. Let's get started with that. For this part, we'll be taking some real-time images and we'll be comparing the colors part of those images, color component of those images, and deciding that which color image is it. Based on the color part, we'll be playing different songs. Let's get started with that part. So first part is we need to take some images. So for taking images, we'll be using video input. So vid equals to video input. Into video input, we're going to enter the name of the Windows OS video extensions. That's going to be video, comma 1. Comma 1 shows that your first camera, that is the default camera of my laptop. If I'm using a second webcam, I can put there comma 2. Okay, comma 1 shows that the default camera of mine, that is laptop camera attached with this. And if I'm using any other, I can use comma 2. Now from this particular video frame, if I want to take any snapshot, I can use I equals to get snapshot, where I is the image from the video frame vid. If I want to see that snapshot, I can simply do im show I. Let's check if this works out. Let me save this program with the name So let's run this program in which I'm going to put my 1 by vacuum tablet into pen tablet into this, and let's see that whether I'm able to get that image or not. And yes, I'm able to get that 1 by vacuum. Let me try another one. Yeah, I'm getting the image of 1 by vacuum. Okay, so now we are able to get the image. The image is bit wider. What we can do is we can break the length and take a small image of that, or you can say the image is bit wide. We're going to take some central frame of that. So let's do that. For that part, we're going to write here, create another image j equals to, out of I, we're going to take all the rows, and all the rows is going to create height for us. So for that, we can write colon, comma, the columns, as it is very wide, we're going to take 300 column to only 900 column, and all the dimension, that is RGB. Okay, and let's do im show j and run the program again. So this time you can see like we are getting a separate central frame. Let us say now if you want to extract some colors out of this, what we do is we'll get r equals to j of all the rows, comma, all the columns, comma, first dimension, that is going to be red color. Similarly, g equals to j of all the rows, comma, all the columns, comma, second dimension, that is green color, because we know that an RGB image is three-dimensional image, R, G, and B. Similarly, B equals to j of all the rows, comma, all the columns, comma, third dimension. Now let's find out the sum of all the red pixels, blue pixels, and green pixels separately. So let us say the x equals to sum of all the red pixels. So sum of all the rows, sum of all the columns into red pixels. Similarly, let us say y equals to sum of all the rows and sum of all the columns into green pixels. Similarly, z equals to sum of all the rows, sum of all the columns into blue pixels. Now once we have the value of red, green, and blue pixels, now you can say that this is sum of all the red pixels present in the image, whereas this is sum of all the green pixels present in the image. And similarly, the next one is going to be sum of all the blue pixels present in the image frame. Now if the value of x is greater than y and z, the image is likely to be a red color image. Similarly, the value of y is greater than x and z, the image is likely to be a green color image. And similarly, if the value of z is greater than x and y, the image is likely to be a blue color image. Let's check it out. So let's say that if x is greater than y and x is greater than z, then we're going to display you are holding a red image. Similarly, else if y is greater than x and y is greater than z, in this case we'll display you are holding a green image. Else if z is greater than x and z is greater than y, in this case we'll display you are holding a blue image, ending the loop. Let's check out, are we getting that idea or the name of images as we want it to be? So if I hold a blue color pen, I should be getting that you're holding a blue color image. Or if I hold a red color pen, I should be getting you're holding a red image. If I hold a green color pen, I should be getting this, that you're holding a green image. Let's check it out whether it turns in that way or not. Let me save the program. Let's go to the command window and execute the program. So you see, if this is kind of blue color image, and I'm also getting kind of blue image written over there. If you see, the name here is a blue color image, and I'm also getting a blue color image written over there. But the image is not clearly visible that it is blue. Let's put it into a proper way. Yeah, it's somewhat visible that yes, it is blue. Let's check out any other image, then we'll be better able to analyze. So now I'm going to hold a reddish color image or kind of orange pen I'm having. So for this orange color pen I'm having, is it printing the red color image or not? Let's check. Yes, it is printing that. It means it is somewhat detecting that part. Let's again check for a green color pen I'm having. So for a green color pen, it should show me that yes, you're holding a green color pen. And yes, it is luckily showing me, yes, that you can see that you're holding a green image. Again, let's check for blue. Yes, for blue it is showing me that you're holding a blue image. So it means now we are able to recognize the image, what color image it is. Now let's go ahead with the code part and extend this code to control some kind of Windows Media Player. So let's define a figure m equals to figure, in which we're going to draw a Windows Media Player. Let's say h equals to ActX control. Okay, using ActiveX control we can embed a Windows Media Player into our MATLAB figure. For embedding a Windows Media Player, the ID for Windows Media Player is WMPlayer .ocx.7. This is the ID for Windows Media Player program ID. Next parameter we're going to give is the position into the figure. So let's say position we want it to start from 0, 0 into the left bottom corner. So 0 space 0, or we can also make it something 10 space 10 That's the left bottom corner, and the width and height we can define of it. So let's say the width is going to be 400 and height is going to be 300, and the figure M is this. So let us say that this is our Windows Media Player embedded in figure M. And now, in case it is red color image, let us say that we want to we want to play a particular music. So I'm gonna set h comma the URL as eDrive music 01.mp3. Similarly, for green color image, I'm going to set another music, set h comma URL comma eDrive music. That let's say 3.mp3. I'm having already this songs into my eDrive music folder, and I'm putting them. And similarly, for this condition, I'm going to set h comma the URL as eDrive music. That I'm going to put something, let's say 4.mp3. Okay, so now I'm done with setting up the different music into different conditions. Now let's check it out according to this program. If different images are being shown in front of camera, different music should be played. Let's check out if this works out properly. Now I'm gonna hold a red color image and let's see that which music gets played. So for a red color image, it is detecting that red and it is playing this NH10 song. Let's change it. Let me close this. Now let me hold a green color pen. So it is playing a different song. And let me try it for a blue color pen. And this time again, it's playing a different song. So this is how I'm able to control different songs being played by showing different. This is how I'm able to control different songs being played by showing different images. And this was the basic video in which you can control Windows Media Player by using different gestures. But this was not some gestures. You can expand this particular program in a much better way. Next program we'll be looking into that how do you find the position of the object inside the image frame, and based on the position of object, how do you control different parameters of Windows Media Player. You can also send those parameters and different conditions to an Arduino connected with MATLAB using a serial communication and control the robot as well. Thank you much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and endorse me on LinkedIn for MATLAB. Thank you very much.